same way every week. When the food service truck comes, they leave it unattended for about half an hour. All we have to do is hide in the back and wait for them to drive us out. Galasso, you work in the kitchen, so you can leave the door open. Just do what I say and we won't get caught.
A couple of girls got caught a few years ago and picked them up on the highway and doubled their sentence.
Which is why we're not taking the highway. We're going to cut across the Indian reservation.
That could take days.
So?
So, what are you gonna do for food?
So why do you care? You're not even coming.
Look, I'm not a snitch. I'm just saying it's a stupid plan.
Oh, so I'm stupid now.
No, but if you want to get caught, be my guest. But leave Galasso out of it. She's leaving in a few weeks anyway. What's your problem?
You.
Stop it! Get off! Let go! Hey! Move aside! Get out of my way! All right, so, ladies, get up here! Get her out of here! Come on, girl, let's go! Wait for a look. Wait.
Equestrian detail.
What? Horses? No, I don't do horses.
It's not the end of the world.
It was one fight, and I was defending someone. Look, I'll do anything. I'll mop your floor, I'll wash your dishes. Don't send me to a farm.
Get used to the idea. The bus leaves this afternoon.